The unbelievable vastness of our planet's oceans can easily humble and overwhelm a diver. If you are in the water, then you need to consider the fact that pelagic inhabitants, which are superior to a swimming human in every aspect, will come close to inspect you. On the other hand, diving or snorkeling in the shallows opens the gates to a colorful underwater world. Without any safety concerns, the shallow reefs allow you to enjoy the nature's architectural masterpieces and a large variety of marine life forms. How about ending your dive trip with returning to a pristine, white sand beach? Thank you for watching.